This is the Armour Italian Del 6S with belted Creighton tires. I cannot find any more the stock tires. So yeah, one tire, believe it's this one here, just gives a little bubble. I should contact Armour and ask them, hey, what can we do about purchasing the two tires and one of them is bad? Could you please send a replacement? But anyway, it's like a GoPro. You never know with a GoPro. So what I am going to go do now is set up. I'm going to do some runs. Going to have to go find another area to have some fun because the park is all full of activities. It's showtime! Well, it's not where I want to be, but this looks like a nice run I can go. A little quieter. So let's go set up and get going. I just love GoPro. I want to wait for GPS to come on. I don't care how fast I go, but I'll wait for it. And wait. And wait. GPS is set up. I got nothing. Because I know I got to do one of these. So let's start over. Make sure we're on. There we go. Let's go get a run with belted tires. Oh man, that tears up the grass. There we go. Let's go. Go all the way to the end. Turn around. Well, let's come back because the problem is we got a lot of shake, rattle, and roll. Not the camera angle I want. I want it here. And I got to crank down real hard. Let's go for another run, another spin. You're talking about cutting the grass. Woo, yeah, you gotta cut the grass, man. That's the beauty about RC cleanup time afterwards. So I got a lot of cleanup to do. Man, got a lot of fun. Show no dirt, show no fun, man. Look at the beautiful clear blue sky. Beautiful green floor on a wonderful, nice day. I hope you enjoyed the Armour Talon on a field day out. Because next one, we're going to have some fun back on the ground, on the tar pin, the blacktop, where I have most of my fun with the car going back and forth. This was really fun. Time to go clean up and get this thing going. On that note, I'm Fish. Catch you later. So here we are, just going to get some runs on the ground here. Yeah, that's how we do it. Get a brush out, spend some time cleaning. So there you have it, nicely cleaned up, all the dirt off, and go have some more fun. Repeat again. I hope you enjoy your fun. with whatever you got. Enjoy, everybody.